Hey guys, let's review some fucking McDonald's. This is the Canadian McDonald's. This is the international Heist menu. We have a grilled teriyaki sandwich. Wait, no, this isn't grilled. This is a McChicken. You got the teriyaki on there. This is from Japan. It's got fucking lettuce on it. It's just a McChicken dipped in teriyaki sauce. That's pretty good. It's got a good meat to sauce ratio. I think there's mayo on this shit too. Yeah, I'd give that one maybe a 8 out of 10 just because of how fucking much this, I mean, the ratio is good, but the sauce is pretty fucking messy. Like, my hand's already covered in shit and I only took 2 bites. But one more thing. Nope. This one here. This is the big Rösti. This is a quarter pounder, I think, with bacon, a hash brown. This one's from fucking Germany. I didn't know Germans got down like this. This is $8.39 for the sandwich in Canadian. Oh, that's a 10 out of 10. That's a fucking 10 out of 10, bro. Germany got the best nons. Hands down, Germany got the best fucking dons in the world, bro. That's just fucking crazy. Hash brown, fucking bacon and cheese sauce. That's crazy, bro. This one's $8.40 something Canadian. Canada's fucked, so it's probably like $5 US or some shit. This one, the teriyaki sandwich, I was like $8 flat Canadian. It was expensive, but it's a fucking limited time thing. Ends July 28th. Get that shit while you can. It's pretty fucking baller.